Alright, today, gonna be a fast vid. Just gonna do a little oil change on the Mini Cooper. Guess turn it into a little how-to. Still looking fresh over here. Got my dog. Hold on, I'm zooming. Come on, bruh. Beating the shit out of that hood over there. Ray Lewis in that bitch. So let me get under there. I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so you're gonna find your way to the oil pan under here. As you can see, in typical Mini fashion, we got all types of leaks going on under here. Just replaced the pan though not too long ago, so at least that's not really leaking. Looks like it's coming from the top somewhere, maybe probably valve cover gasket, something like that. But you got your drain plug right here. It's gonna be a 17, so I'm gonna grab a ratchet, get that cranked out of there, and start letting her drain, bud. All right, we back. Got my drain plug loosened up. Got my handy dandy nifty oil catcher. Got my boy sanding a new hood over there. So let's see if I can do this without getting shit on with oil everywhere. And kind of getting you guys a shot. Make sure not to drop her down in there. Like I said, it's a 17, at least on this pan. This isn't an OEM pan though. This is a little aftermarket pan I got off ECS Tuning. So I'm not sure. Oh, there she is. Put her upside down so we don't get any dirt on the threads or anything like that. I'm gonna go ahead and let that drain out for a few minutes. She's looking pretty black. That was some Royal Purple 5W30 at one time, but we also sprayed some valve cleaner up in here and stuff, so I mean, she's not too black. She's still got a little bit of clarity to it, so I think it's been in there about 4,000 or 5,000 miles, so shouldn't be too bad. But I'll get back to you guys when this is done draining and I'm taking the filter out. Alright, we back. As you can see, we got our filter down there. So it's a 35/36. Got her on the old snap-on, ready to get her cranked out of there. Pretty awkward position, so probably gonna bust some knuckles real quick.
My dog did not bust any knuckles.
No knuckle busting today. I would if I had one hand on the can. You think any oil? Yeah, probably the oil's gonna come out here.
Shit. Coming soon to y'all.
Coming soon when we got our big ass following, bro. Our million people following. Alright, so got the filter and the canister off. I feel like that's where my oil leak was coming from. I don't know what happened. Maybe it got overly tight. I know these kind of do go bad quite a bit, but I've never had one break like that, so not really good. Maybe a mistake by me, who knows? Maybe just bad luck, but gonna get this old filter out. Alright, off with the old O-ring, on with the new filter. Gonna jam her back down in there. And let's see if I can see as I do this. got the last little bit of nasty oil dripped on out of there. Got our drain plug back. Make sure not to over tighten this. Don't know what the torque specs are, but just a little snug will do it. Don't want to strip those threads out. That's kind of why I had to replace this whole oil pan in the first place. And that's it. Gonna drop her down. Fill her up with some Castrol Edge full synthetic high mileage 5W30. She should be ready to rock and roll. Alright, we got the plug, drain plug tightened. We got 5.1 US quarts of fresh castor oil, full synthetic in that baby. We got Vic stressing. Got our filter housing back on, new O-ring. Shouldn't be leaking at all. Doesn't look like it is. And that's it. That's how to do a fucking oil change on this little turd.
Make sure you get the right oil filter.
Yeah, make sure you get the right oil filter. Not from AutoZone. Because you tell them, I guess this might be for a Mini S. It's about a quarter smaller than the other one. Also has a stop block in there or something, so make sure you guys get the right oil filter and that'll do it. That's how you change up the oil. Make sure to check it out. Instagram, YouTube, Dirty Ass Car. You already know. You already know. Alright boys, got the fresh Earl in her. I guess let's see how slow this bitch is. Do a little pull. Just got out to Mexico City. Make sure she ain't fucking smoking, blowing up yet. Give her a little pop real quick.